So guys, I just literally threw my wig on so I can do this Killimall haul with you before I start laying my hair. So the equipment I'm going to be using is going to be from Killimall, and then the products are going to be from Quickmart. So let me just show you guys. So this is the flat iron I bought. Can you guys, am I holding it right? So then once you open, this is how it looks like. It looks very weird and strange at the moment, but like, remove. That's how it looks. This is the cap, the top. That's the cap. You just twist it open, and then there's a. It's a 2-in-1 basically, and this is the first bit you're going to be using to curl and all that. And then once you switch this locks, there's an open and close lock over here. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. You just try. There's an open and close lock over here, so when I open, it opens the flat iron. If I close it, then I'm gonna close the flat iron and I'm gonna use the curling side of it. So that's how it's looking like. So it looks like, and then that's the charging cable, and it was 699, no, 599. It was an offer, guys. So it was supposed to be 2,000 and something, but like the price was cancelled and it was going for cheaper, so that's why I got it. And then we're gonna go next to the blow dryer because we're gonna be using it to dry the glue. So this is it. Comes wrapped in a bag. This is how it looks like. I got it in red because I like red, but there was either red or black. I didn't want black, so yeah. Also, that's the charging cable. So it looks like, feels pretty strong, but it's light, so it's not gonna be heavy on your hand. And then it came with the tools. This is the comb. It's the comb, and then it came with this. Yeah, but I'm gonna use it without any of the tools because I just need the cold air. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, and I've shown you guys the equipment. Now we're gonna go to the products that I'm gonna be using, and the first one is the Got To Be, of course. I got this on offer at Quickmart. If I post this video today, please rush that before the 2nd of January because it's still on offer for $305. And then this is also an offer. This is the gel, and it was also an offer. It was going for $355. So please rush there. If you need this product, rush there because they're an offer. I know how expensive they can be or how much higher they can be going for in other stores. So just go get yourself some, even if you're not out of them. If you have them and they're not over, just go get some because you're gonna need them, and right now they're on offer. So Quickmart, pay me. I already cut the lace. It was cut when I bought it, so I don't have that work to do. And yeah, and I don't have a mirror in front of me. I'm only gonna be using my smaller mirror. The mirror is like over there, and this is where I have to film from, so we're gonna make do. Anyway, let me set up my small mirror and then I get back. Okay, so let's start. Oh my god. I haven't even prepared the blow dryer. Let me go rinse it. Let's lay the baby hairs. Guys, something I've learned from, I know I look crazy, something I've learned from doing this hair install: please don't let the people you're buying hair from cut your baby hairs, and don't let them cut your lace. I mean, I didn't want, I wanted to cut them myself, but since it was my first time getting a wig, I thought I would let a professional do it for me. But like, not everyone who's selling wigs is a professional. That's one thing we all need to accept and learn and know. I've tried to do some things. I tried to trim some myself and all that, but like, since they were originally trimmed, I don't have the freedom to do exactly what I would have wanted. So I just have to like work with what I have. But it's kind of working out. But after just going through this whole process, I've learned that my next wig, I'm not gonna let anyone play around with it. I did it. I didn't want to lay all the baby hairs. I only laid the top ones because I am not trying to be here forever. At the same time, I'm just filming a video. So let's go to curling the hair. I brought you guys a little lower because my curls are usually like, my hair is sort of like straight-ish at the top, and then the curls are more at the bottom, and they're not like strong curls. I don't like strong curls, so I'm just trying to replicate what was already on the hair. This is what I've done so far. These 3 pieces, I've just done them right now, and I had to practice a little bit before I could come and show you guys on here. So this is the piece I'm about to do right now. So as you can see, it still has a bit of curl because it's supposed to only have curl at the bottom here and kind of straight at the top, so don't expect to see some curls here. And I look crazy, but I've been making progress. You can see that. So guys, I went to do my makeup real quickly. I literally took like 15 minutes to do this makeup, which is so quick. But this is the finished look and I'm loving it. This is all I had for you guys today, and I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe if you haven't, share all of that good stuff. I'm literally forgetting how to talk because I haven't been vlogging for so long, but anyway, this is how we're looking. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm hoping to see you guys again in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys next time. I love you guys so much.